Alright guys, so in this video we're checking out the JJRC M02 VTOL plane, and so this is pretty much a clone or copy of the X450 I reviewed I think about a month or two ago. 3 motors, the front motors are on servos that pivot forward so you can get forward flight. You can fly it as a multi-rotor with 3 propellers and also in vertical mode. Same modes on the switch over here on the controller. The controller is a little bit different, but it functions all the same way. So I'm not going to go over every detail. It's pretty much the same as the other one, so I'll link that other video down in the description. I just want to see how this one flies. It's even got the same battery, 3S, everything like that. So we'll just see if it flies any different and take it from there. So you unlock it the same way, 2 sticks down and in, then throttle up. And then you just kind of want throttle in the middle, that'll hover. It's got the altitude hold in there. The altitude hold was working pretty good. Yeah, it's maintaining hover pretty good. It's not that windy today. And just as I say that, the wind picks up. But this mode working about the same as before on the other model. All right, I got the wind blowing in my face here, so I'm going to move this away a little bit. Now let's try the, I'm going to try the vertical mode. Let's get it up a little higher. All right, so I think the gyro needs a little bit of calibration. Well, actually, it's not the gyro, it's the wind that's pushing it back like that. And that's what the vertical mode did before in the other model. So let's try it again. It's fighting the wind there, fighting. So, vertical mode not recommended in wind again. All right, let's try the airplane mode. Yeah, it did a little, quite a bit of altitude there. So much quieter in airplane mode. This one does seem to lose a lot more altitude on turns in airplane mode, I'm noticing. Doesn't seem quite as stable. Yeah, I can tell in airplane mode it's definitely not as stable, and it's not as windy as on the video that you saw previously. So it should be more stable, but it feels like it's not, it's less stable. Yeah, it's stalled out there. That's probably more my fault there. But let's see what kind of damage you got there. So, looks okay. Oh, I broke it. So, the stall was partially my fault, but this is not that promising. This looks like the servo part here, the arm stripped out from the screws of the little arm, the metal part. So that is going to do it for this video. It's kind of unfortunate. But yeah, the airplane mode did not seem as stable as the X450. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for this video. I'll come back with another one later. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. If you want to see more videos on this one, let me know in the comments. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.